कि जो प्यार आप लोगों ने मुझे दिया है इतने सालों से, उसका 10, 20, 30, 40 दूसरा होता तो आगे नहीं बढ़ता। 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 150% भी प्यार हो तो उसी को देना।
King Mufasa finally introduced his Simba to the world, and it was not just the uncanny physical resemblance that stunned everyone.
आज मैं बहुत नर्वस हूँ क्योंकि आज मैं पहली बार अब सबके सामने स्टेज पर आया हूँ और इसीलिए 2 दिन और 3 रातों से मैं ये स्पीच बार बार लगातार प्रैक्टिस किए जा रहा हूँ। इनफैक्ट मैं इतना नर्वस हूँ कि मैंने टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर पे भी लिखवा दिया है और जस्ट इन केस यहाँ की बिजली चले जाए मैं कागज के टुकड़े पर भी लिख कर लाया हूँ टॉर्च के साथ। और अगर तब भी मुझसे मिस्टेक हो जाए तो पापा है ना, बैकअप।
Aryan Khan, son of Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan, recently made his debut as a director with the series The Bads of Bollywood Star. And at the preview launch event, fans and media were left amazed. Not only did Aryan look like his iconic father, but he also sounded, spoke, stood, and carried himself just like Shah Rukh Khan.
2 दिन और 3 रातों से मैं ये स्पीच बार बार लगातार प्रैक्टिस किए जा रहा हूँ। इनफैक्ट मैं इतना नर्वस हूँ कि मैंने टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर पे भी लिखवा दिया है और जस्ट इन केस यहाँ की बिजली चले जाए मैं कागज के टुकड़े पर भी लिख कर लाया हूँ टॉर्च के साथ।
Aryan was visibly nervous while speaking, but his confidence in his craft was clear. Presenting his first series, a sharp satire on the film industry's dynamics, Aryan showed he was ready to make his own mark.
ये शो बनाने का सिर्फ एक ही मकसद था कि बहुत सारे लोगों को बहुत सारी जगहों पर बहुत सारा एंटरटेनमेंट पहुंचा सके। 4 साल की मेहनत, अनगिनत डिस्कशंस और हजारों टेक्स के बाद ये शो अब फाइनली रेडी है।
But what really caught everyone's attention was how much Aryan resembled the King Khan in more ways than one. His signature smile was a dead giveaway. Just like Shah Rukh, Aryan flashed that warm, confident grin that has captivated millions for years. It was a moment that instantly reminded everyone of the legendary expressions that made Shah Rukh Khan the superstar he is. Aryan's style was another highlight. His outfit was stylish yet effortless, a perfect echo of Shah Rukh's classic fashion sense. Whether it was the well-fitted blazer or his casual cool vibe, Aryan's look was reminiscent of how Shah Rukh often blends elegance with comfort during public events. On stage, Aryan carried himself with the same graceful poise and charisma his father is famous for.
2 दिन और 3 रातों से मैं ये स्पीच बार बार लगातार प्रैक्टिस किए जा रहा हूँ। इनफैक्ट मैं इतना नर्वस हूँ कि मैंने टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर पे भी लिखवा दिया है और जस्ट इन केस यहाँ की बिजली चले जाए मैं कागज के टुकड़े पर भी लिख कर लाया हूँ टॉर्च के साथ।
The way he addressed the media, interacted with the cast and crew, showed a confident presence that fans have always admired in Shah Rukh Khan.
और अगर तब भी मुझसे मिस्टेक हो जाए तो पापा है ना, बैकअप।
Even Aryan's subtle facial expressions and hand gestures were strikingly similar to Shah Rukh's. From thoughtful looks to the slight head tilt and his easy charm, it felt like watching a younger version of the superstar in the making. One of the most heartwarming moments came when Shah Rukh Khan introduced Aryan and the cast. Their warm interaction and proud father-son exchange showed not just a family bond but the passing of the torch. Watching Aryan stand beside his father, the legacy was shining bright. Aryan Khan's debut with the Bads of Bollywood is more than just a new project. It's a glimpse of the next generation of Bollywood talent carrying forward the Khan legacy. If the launch event was anything to go by, Aryan is well on his way to carving his own path, all while echoing the timeless charm of his father, Shah Rukh Khan. Fans can't wait to see what's next when the series premieres.
और अगर तब भी मुझसे मिस्टेक हो जाए तो पापा है ना, बैकअप।